Can we see who shared our reel on Instagram? Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about if we can see who has shared our reels on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you can head over to your profile on the bottom right. Simply select the reel that you want to know the information about. So let's say I want this reel right here. Now I want to know if someone has shared this reel or not. So you can go through your reels. So you can go to the reel section as well. And on the reel section, there you will see the share button. And when you tap on the share button, you will be able to share your reels. Now from here, you cannot actually see who has shared your reel, but what you can do is you can view the insights of this post. So let's head over to our post and tap on view insights. It's right here. After you tap on it, there you will see that the share option right here. Now you can actually see the number of shares that has occurred, but there is no option which enables you to see who has viewed it. Now it will not show you the exact username and the exact person who has shared your reel. And yeah, all you can see is the number of shares that your post has got. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. I hope this video answered your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.